Hi, my name is Maya. I'm from Germany and I'm doing the 300-hour Vinyasa course. It's a very complete course. That's also the reason I decided to come here, is because there's very inspiring and devoted teachers in all these subjects, and it gives a very holistic understanding and approach of anatomy, being a very hands-on class where we help each other adjust in the poses and discover the poses together. Philosophy, where we dive deep into this topic and have a very open circle and open discussion. And the asana practice is also great with amazing teachers that help me gain new depths in my practice. So I really like the fact that we have local teachers, but also international teachers. It gives a very nice idea also of different jobs in the yoga field, and all of the teachers create a very soft, authentic, and trustful place for us to develop. Also, yoga can be kind of a practice of surrender, so a bit emotional, and it's really great how the teachers manage to hold a safe space for all students. I think you should really choose Sampoorna for your yoga teacher training for many reasons. One of them also being just the beautiful town of Agonda. You have magical sunsets every evening, being immersed in the culture here, in the spiritual space. The teachers, the program, and also all the students you meet and connect with. One of the most challenging parts of becoming a yoga teacher for me is kind of the self-doubt and also the pressure you put on yourself. And what I mentioned earlier is just being surrounded by very diverse teachers that each live through yoga differently. It really helps see opportunities differently, discover different ways of approaching and working in the field of yoga. It's hard to pick one thing. The peanut butter, just being all together in the shala and learning together, I think. And also the asana practices are very strong and powerful to hold the space all together.